Greetings, website administrators. In this video guide, we'll delve into the efficient management of postal codes on your platform. Let's ensure a smooth process for editing existing postcodes and seamlessly adding new ones to enhance your website's user experience. Log into the admin area of your website. Click on the Settings tab. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Locations tab. Now, select the Postal Codes tab to access the management interface. While in the Postal Codes tab, you have the flexibility to make modifications easily by adjusting details such as postcode, suburb, town or city, country, and zones. Seamlessly incorporate new postcodes by specifying the postcode, suburb, town or city, country, and zone. Navigating through a list of postcodes is made effortless with the Quick Search feature. This enables you to swiftly locate specific postcodes by name, streamlining your administrative tasks. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage postal codes, contributing to an organized and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful guides on optimizing your online platform.